Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am your maths teacher. So today we'll study from Mathwise book 3 and unit number 2. Unit number 2 is about numbers. So dear students, already you have read about uh, the units numbers, about Roman numbers and Arabic numbers. So in this chapter also we will further study about the Arabic numbers and Roman numbers, right? So history you can study yourself. This is history given here. So on this page here it is given that one mark can be represented as one finger held up, right? Suppose if one is there, you will just say that this is one finger and one is equal to one mark. One mark stands for one, two marks stand for two, three lines mark stands for three, four line mark stands for three. So this is just as given accordingly, that 1 is equal to 1, 2 is equal to 2. So simply, so here is an activity given that how many marks stands for numbers 8, show them. So 8 number are there, so we can put 8 marks for that, right? Put 8 lines. So draw 3 flowers. So 3 numbers is equal to 3 flowers, so 3 flowers you can draw on your book. How many marks will you put to count number of candles? So here you can count the candles. There are 2 candles given, so 2 marks you will put. Similarly here, how many marks will you put to count number of balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balls are there, so 5 marks you will put, right? So then here some rules are given for Arabic numbers and Roman numbers. So here at the bottom of the page you can see that Arabic numbers are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So similarly 9 and 10 further we will study. Then here exercise 2 is given, right? So as already we have seen that counting in Roman numbers and Arabic numbers, right? Look at the comparison on the previous page and practice writing the Roman numbers. So you must here on the previous page, on page number 12, we have seen that up to 8 the Roman and Arabic counting is given. So here also it is in the question number 1 it is asked that you have to write counting, right? From 1 to 8 in Roman numbers, right? Question number 2 is count the number of the soldiers and write the answer in Roman numbers. So 1, 2, 3 soldiers are there, so 3 you will put here. Then question number 3 is count the number of gold coins and write the answer in Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you will write here, right? Count the number of horses and write the answer in Roman numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there, right? Count the number of arrows and write the answer in Roman numbers. You can count arrows here, and if there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arrows or 7 are there, so you can, if 7 are there you can write 7, if 6 are there you can write 6. Then up to 8 we have studied on the previous page number 12, that counting in Roman and Arabic up to 8, and here now it is given from 9 to 10, right? So 9 we write like this and 10 we write like this, right? So further here is some important information given on the next page, on page number 14, that Arabic numbers 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. So 1 is written like this, 5 is written like this, V, X, L, C, D, M. So you have to remember this. This is very, very important that you must know the Roman numbers and the Arabic numbers. Write the Arabic numbers, right? 1, this is 7, this is 4, this is 9, this is 5, this is 2, this is 6 and this is 10. Then exercise 4 is given here. work with x and fill the table. Here table is given, so we have to see x plus 1 is equal to 11, x plus 2 is equal to 12, x plus 3 is equal to 13, x plus 4 is equal to 14, x plus 5 is equal to 15, x plus 6 is equal to 16, x plus 7 is equal to 17, 8 is equal to 18, x plus 9 is equal to 19, and x plus x is equal to 20. So you have to remember this and try to learn it. Exercise 5, count and write the numbers of stars. Right here stars are given, that you have to count that how many stars are there. If 16 stars are there, you write 16 here. Then here 20 apples are given, so 20 apples you write in Arabic and then in Romans. Exercise 6, match the column is given, right? This is 7, this is 9, this is C is equal to 100, double x 2x means that it is 20, and this is 9 and this is 4, right? Then you have to match this. Okay, then exercise 7 on page 16. Exercise 7 is pick the odd and even numbers, right? This is table given, right? Square box is given, so here counting up to 100 is written, right? So you have to separate the even numbers and odd numbers. So odd number starts from 1, right, and even number starts from 2. So just leave one number and circle the numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8. Leave one number and circle the other number, leaving 1. So like 2, 3, 4, 6, you can circle the rest of the numbers, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all these are odd numbers, right? So you can circle yourself up to 100. Exercise 8, take the even numbers and cross the odd numbers. So here are some numbers given. I have put tick on the even numbers and tick on the even numbers and cross on the odd numbers. You can see this. Even numbers are always divisible by 2, and odd numbers are not divisible by 2. This is the difference. Okay, now place values. This is very important to learn, because in 5 class you will have more questions about place values, so you have to learn this concept very nicely. So it is given, first is numbers are given, we have to write them in expanded form. 5 is given, 5 is read as 5, F-I-V-E, and then it stands at ones place in when you write in expanded form. 23, 2 numbers are there, 2 stands at tens place and 3 stands at ones place. 5 to 8, 3 numbers are there, so 5 stands at hundreds place, 2 stands for tens place, and 8 at ones place, right? So then a concept of larger digit and smaller digit, right? When you add these numbers, so here 9 plus 1, right, 10, and 99 plus 1, 10. 1 is equal to 100. So here small boxes are given, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you have to add this one smaller box into 9, and then you count this all together, it makes 10. So similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? 9, and 9 tens are 90, and these are 9 boxes. 90 plus 9, 99, 99 plus 1, this one will be added and it makes 100. So this is also same, 999 plus 1000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 boxes. So each box contain 100 small boxes, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This means this is 100. 900, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 999, and this one is plus, so it makes 1000, right? One adding 1 into 99, it makes 1000. So these are 1000 boxes. So this is also same. So this is, now you have 4 times 9, right? So you have 9999, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So these are also boxes. Now these boxes were of 100, it contains 100 boxes. Now this box contains this is 9000, 1000 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it makes 9000, right? So then you add 999 again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so 900, and adding 1 999, it makes 10,000, right? So this is just to make you understand that how you add the numbers, bigger numbers and smaller numbers. So this is also again one example given here, 99,909, right? So adding 1, it makes 1 lakh or 100,000, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so it is 99,000 now, right? So obviously, so 1 will be equal to 99,000 makes 10,000. 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90,000 is this, and then you add 9,000 and plus 1,000 is equal to 100,000, right? So here 5 boxes, another example. 5 boxes are given, 5 stands at ones place, and 23 means that 2 tens plus 3, 2 tens, these are 10 boxes, 10 10 plus 20 and plus 3, it makes 23. So these are also again some examples given here, right? So you can see 640, 1 2 3 4 5 600, 1 2 3 4, this one single line box, it contains 10 10 20 30 40, it makes 40, adding 0, and this will be equal to 640. 2014, this one box is equal to 1000 boxes, small boxes, 1000 2000, and then plus adding 0, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and 10 plus 4 14, 2014. This is again 31,415, 1 2 3, this is equal to 10,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, and this is equal to 415, this is equal to 100, 31,000. So this is 30,000, this is 1,000, and these are 400, and this is again 10 plus 4 14. This is, you rate this 30,000, 1,000, 400, and then 10 and plus 4, it makes 31,415. This is 212,411. So you can read it like this. This is unit tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000, right? 212,415. So similarly you can. So on page number 21, this is about place values of the numbers, that numbers have been given, so we have to write them in words and then on the place value chart. So this is given ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, and 100,000. So this is 3,196. So we'll write in words also. This is 72,641, right? So this is 314,062. This is 145,170. So this is 30,261. This is 9,008. So you must know that how to write numbers in the place value. So this is something numbers have been written in expanded form. So 3196. So 6 is at 1's place, 9 is at 10's place, 1 is at 90 place, and 100's place, 1 is at 100's place, and 3 is at. So similarly you have to expand it and write it like this in expanded form, right? So there are some also more examples given that written in expanded form, so you can practice this yourself. These are examples given. So here exercise 9 is given. So this is place value chart, and this number is written in the place values chart. Place values of numbers have been given. So this is 2058. This is also written in the place value chart. You can see this how to write. Best way is that you write place values, and start writing number from right side always, right? So 56,367. Start writing, draw this and start writing from right side. So this is also, these are numbers you can see, and just practice this. So exercise 10 is given, right? This is also place value and expand them. Expanded form you have to write. This is one example is given. I have done this one for you, right? So better to draw place value chart and then write their values. So these are question number 3 and 4, and rest you can do yourself. Exercise 11. This is one question is given. This is written in expanded form, and we have to write them in place value chart. So this is, I have done this for you. I have written this in place value chart also, and written in the words also. This is 7,643, 91,590. So this is 180,000, right? 1,207, right? So exercise 12, write the place value of 7. 7 stands at 100's place. Here 7 stands at 10,000 place. Here two 7's are there. One is at this one is at 10's place, and this one is at 1000's place. So here 7 is at 10's place, and here 7 is at units place, right? So here exercise 13, make 7 different numbers using the digits 1, 2, 6, and 7 different numbers are given. Write the number names and place value of each digit, right? Here example is given, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 numbers are given, and you draw place value chart and write them. Similarly here also you draw place value chart and write them like this. Exercise 14, fill in the next 6 numbers. Here one example is skip by 100, right? We have to this is 45, 67, 4,567. So here you will write 4,667, right? This is, we have skipped 100 place value. Here 4,767, right? Similarly you can write up to 6 places. So one thing I would like to share with you, then that numbers starting from smallest number and the greatest number, right? Here 1 digit smallest number is 1, and 1 digit greatest number is 9. 2 digit smallest number is 10, and greatest number is 99. 3 digit smallest number is 100, and greatest number is 999. Similarly 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, 8 digit, 9 digit number. You can see that, and this is very important. You have to learn this, right? So this is exercise 14 we have been doing. So this is, you have to solve, fill in the blanks, next 6 numbers. So up to 6 numbers we have to write. 3008 is given, skip by 100. right? We have to skip 100 place and then write the next number. So say very easy. 3008 is given, you add 100 into it and you will get 3108, 3108, 3208, 3308, 3408. Second question, 12,999. So skip by 10, we have to add 10 into it. Adding 10, it makes 13,019, 30,009. After 12,999, adding 1 into it, it comes 13,009, 13,019, 13,029, 13,039 and 13,049. Question number 3. This is 200, 345, right? So skip by 10,000, we have to add 10,000 into it. So adding 10,000, we get 210,345, 210,345. Then adding again 10,000, we get 220,345, 230,345. So similarly keep on adding up to 6 places. Then this one is given, we have to skip by ones, we have to add 1 into it only, right? Just add 1, you'll get first number, second number, third number, fourth number and fifth number. Then 5, 34,909, skip by 1000, we have to add 1000 into it. Adding 1000, we get 35,909. Adding 1000 again into it, we get 36,909, 37,909 and 38,909 and 39,909, right? So this is all for today. We'll see this again in the next activity. We'll see you. So one exercise we can do, this is exercise 16. Here this is fill in the blanks given, we have to put this greater, small, is equal to or less than, right? This is on page 29. So this one is less than, this 57,831, 57,864. So less than is greater than, and this is again greater than, this is equal to, greater than and equal to, right? So exercise 17. Here we have to put tick on the correct expanded form. First one is wrong, second one is correct, third one is also wrong, fourth one and fifth one is also wrong, only second one is correct, right? Then exercise 18. Here we have to numbers given in ascending and descending order, we have to write the next numbers. So here these are numbers given, 364,921, 365,921, 366,921. So this is example solved for you. This is I have written 77,279, 77,269. These are decreasing, right? 77,259, 77,249. So decreasing number, these are decreasing numbers. Then 234, 321, 2424, 311. These both numbers are decreasing, right? 2414301, 204291, right? 194,281, 223,344, right? This is increasing. This number is increasing and this number remains same. 425, 526, 627, 190, 200, 210. So this both are increasing numbers. 220024, right? 230025, right? So exercise 20, these are the smallest 4-digit number, 1000, right? Here you can see also, I have shown you the chart. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000, right? Smallest 6-digit number is smallest, here you can see smallest 6-digit number is 100,000. Then largest 5-digit number, right? 5 times 9. Then smallest 6-digit number, is this 100,000. Then smallest 5-digit number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000, right? So this is all for today. We'll see you in the next video with unit number 3. Thank you very much.